The healing power of running water. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. As you listen to the sound of running water, imagine a clear stream flowing peacefully through a quiet forest. The water moves effortlessly, smooth, continuous, calm. There is something deeply comforting about the sound of water. It does not rush you. It does not demand anything from you. It simply flows. And as it flows, your body begins to respond. The nervous system begins to calm. When you listen to gentle sounds like running water, your nervous system starts to shift. During a busy day, your body often operates in what is called fight or flight. This is controlled by your sympathetic nervous system. It increases your heart rate. It tightens your muscles. It prepares you for stress. But now, as you listen to the steady rhythm of flowing water, something changes. Your parasympathetic nervous system activates. This is your rest and repair system. Your breathing slows down naturally. Your heart rate becomes more steady. Your muscles begin to soften. Without effort, your body is moving into healing mode. Our heart finds a gentle rhythm. Notice how the water flows in a consistent rhythm. Your heart loves rhythm. When you listen to calming, repetitive, natural sounds like running water, your heart rate variability improves. This means your heart becomes more flexible and adaptive, a sign of good health. The steady sound acts like a soft guide, helping your heartbeat settle into a calm pattern. With each gentle splash, your heart relaxes. Your blood pressure may slowly decrease. Circulation improve. More oxygen flows through your body, delivering nourishment to every cell. Your brain waves slow down. Your brain responds quickly to sound. Busy city noise keeps your brain alert and stimulated. But nature's sounds, especially water, tell your brain that you are safe.